morning, man. It's a Saturday morning and it's kind of cool, baby. Man, you can see the beautiful sunrise right there. Yeah, buddy, it's Saturday. Oh, man, it's real cool, man. But we are headed down to Bourn, Texas. Man, I'm riding solo. My dude Chris supposed to been going with me. If you didn't see my post on my community page, somebody sideswiped my dude Chris on yesterday. And he's in Baylor Hospital downtown Dallas. And we pray that he's all right, and we pray for the strength of his wife. And my boy B Nasty is doing better. He's well. He's doing better. He's at the house. He's still probably still in a lot of pain. I hadn't talked to him in a few days. But, man, he had to have some major surgery done. And I think my dude Chris said his wife fractured his pelvis, his knee. Man, y'all be careful out here. Because like I always say in my short videos, and sometimes in my regular videos, I always say, these people don't see us. They don't see us. So, man, y'all be careful out here. What up, y'all? Your boy just went through Mineola, coming up to Lindale. Man, I see a bunch of bikers up here. And these, I guess they heading the same way I'm headed. So, yeah. Man, y'all, this torque is crazy on this thing, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. Yeah, I hear you good, man. I'm gonna be talking on this camera. Boy, this 128 is on point, dog. Man. Dude, I'ma tell you, I hit 110 easily, dude. And that sucker started pulling out. I don't even have the throttle pulled all the way back, y'all. God dog it. Hey, dude, that's why I wanted to get on this freeway, y'all. I wanted to test this baby right here. Hey, dude, I'm gonna tell you, man, I think it's good if hey, y'all, if y'all hear me keep saying dude, it's because I got my dude, Tom202, on the phone as DC Harley on Instagram. So, y'all, but dude, this thing is crazy. The torque is crazy, man. What up, y'all? We have made it down here to Bourn, Texas, baby. You know, it ain't nothing like when it's in your neck of the woods, in your backyard, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got far to go. That's what I'm talking about.
Your destination is on the left.
So, yeah. Bourn, Texas, baby. I guess we got to get a band, get signed in or whatever. I think my boy 2147 is already here. Man, but you got to be careful in this daggum gravel, y'all. Oh my gosh. We are here, good folks. Yes, sir. Bourn 2023. Y'all see what I be talking about, this dust? Man, it ain't even no need you cleaning your bike up coming down here. Cause this red dirt in this East Texas. We are here, baby. Bourn Free 23. Hey y'all, and there's a lot of people out here already. Yeah, cause these Harley Davidson vendors were not here last year, y'all. That's why I say it done got bigger than what it was last year. So y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all around, man. Let y'all see what's going on. So I'm gonna try to stay close to the mic and let y'all see. Yeah, they got some of the demo bikes out here as well. Got the yeah, these are like the bike that was at Traveling Tallsville down there. But yeah, they, like I say, Harley Davidson wasn't in this area last year. Cause I think it's just not getting bigger, y'all. And I think it's gonna only get bigger and better. Better this year. Cause I don't remember this being this many bikes like it was last year, but it is, y'all. We can just take a look over there. I don't see how they ride them bikes, y'all. I really don't. I couldn't do it. How you doing, Kelly?
I just heard about you, so.
Really?
We walked past your bike. I'm like, oh, Kelly's here, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Well, your bike looks clean, man.
Right now it ain't.
Well, you know what I mean.
Right, appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all from here?
No, Houston.
Houston? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I rode up this morning, check it out.
Yeah, that's what I did, man. I'm just gonna go up here. I did it, I did it last year, so
Yeah.
I want to see what was gonna be new out here. So.
Is there anything different?
Yeah, all that down there, that wasn't there.
The track?
Well, the track was there, but all the vendors down there and all that.
We hadn't been down that way yet.
Yeah, so it wasn't there. I don't even remember Harley Davidson being out here last year. So that's new right there to have those bikes. So it's free thing.
Trying to grow it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's good.
Yeah, it's a lot more people than last year that I see right now.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
How you doing?
Hey, where's Rob at? I know that's his bike right there.
I think you just walked down to the race.
Okay, then, okay. Yeah, I've seen his bike out there. I know that's Fleece Performance Baggers, so yeah. All right, man. Yeah, man, if y'all ain't following my dude, but Fleece Performance Baggers right there. You know, he went down to Knoxville with us, but since he got back from Knoxville, he put this turbo on here. Look at that. So, yeah.
for what, $19.99? That boy is sweet though, man. That's you?
Yeah.
That's sweet, man. I like the way you good at that right there, so it made it extra light.
So it's actually a Road King.
Really?
I started off with the Road King, so instead of wasting the money on the Road Glide, and I did the outer fairing, and just bought the outer fairing, and then I machined all the brackets to hold it.
Okay.
So there's like actually 17 pieces in the front to make that happen.
Wow. Hey, what rotors are those, man?
Those are bare knuckle Paul, the red tint right down there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's it. Those are his.
Oh, I like
and
that.
I just made the wheels to match his rotors.
Okay. Oh, man. Yeah, that's sweet, dude.
I appreciate it, man.
You put some money in that baby, dog. Yeah, y'all, it's a lot going on. Hey, how y'all fellas doing? All right. Yeah, dude, we having an awesome time. Awesome time. There goes Lindy Roller right there. I came here last year, y'all.
Yeah, you're out here last year,
Yes,
right?
sir. How you doing, man?
Good to see you,
Good
man.
to see you too, man.
Yeah. What you got going on?
Man, I'm just hanging and trying to finish up my darn bike, man.
I feel the pain. I know the struggle.
Trying to finish my bike up, man. You know, what you got new
You want
down
some
here?
stickers? We got free stickers. You want a t-shirt? What size t-shirt do you wear?
I wear extra large, man.
I got you.
Yeah, they got the taco stand this year. They got the Cornet Louisiana kitchen right there. Got a nice, what is that? That's a barbecue place over there. So yeah, I think that's the chicken place right there I ate last year, y'all. Good chicken, y'all. Good stuff, man. I can't lie. Good chicken, y'all. Some of the best chicken I ever ate. But hey, man, let's keep moving, man. I still ain't seen my boy 2147. He out here hiding at all these people. The race is about to begin, y'all. What's up, man?
Not much, man. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Yeah, dude. That's cool, man. Shit.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Hungry now, man.
You hungry? Okay, cool.
I know you don't eat because you don't waste no time.
Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. We're not, we're good.
Dude, who bike is that?
Oh, I'm here, over here. Yeah. It's like,
That boy's
that bad
sweet.
one? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
That bad boy's clean, man.
Yeah, dusty all nice, but they're running good, bro.
How you feel about them boards compared to your T-bars, man?
The risers are better. The risers are better.
You like the risers?
Yeah.
Hey, you see those guys down there with the risers?
Yeah.
Y'all already know who bike that is right there.
It looks like him. The artist.
I don't even say 2147 crew bike. I just say call him 200.
200.
Mr. 200 times 2. So yeah. How you doing, Dwayne?
Good, man. Good
Oh,
to
you?
see you.
Oh, the
Yeah.
green bike.
I'm on the Softail today.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Kevin B, what's up, dude?
What's up, Rob?
Doing good?
Good, man. How you
Good
doing,
to
man?
see you, man. Good
Yes,
to
sir.
see you.
Looking swole?
No, man, I'm looking soft, you know?
How you been, man?
Good, yourself?
Oh, man,
Good to see
I'm
you.
good, man.
Good to see you.
Oh, wow.
The water cool? Mm-hmm. It goes this tank here. You go from the water tank to the heat exchanger.
Wow. Oh, dang it. You made your bike water cool. Well, that is crazy. So you know he pushing a lot of horsepower, y'all, when you start adding water to your stuff.
Use a performance bagger, y'all. Don't play.
Yeah. God dang it, man. That is, hey, that's different. That's totally different, dude. Oh, I love the fender, dude.
It's different, man. It's a wild one.
Yeah.
So that's it, folks. That is Bourn Free 2023. Oh, that was a big bump right there. Yeah, baby. I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna be more people down here tonight. But me, I gotta go to church tomorrow, baby. I gotta go to church. Whoa, man. I'm trying to let my mask down. And I hit this baby. Whoa, Kelly B. Yeah, man. I gotta get me something to eat, y'all. I ate me a payday earlier. That's all I done had to eat. All I done had, but it's all good. I'm gonna go back by my mom's house, grab my clothes, cause I was gonna stay all night, but I'm gonna go on back. Yep. Probably stop by, maybe see my dad, whatever. But yeah, man. Until next time, baby. The next grind. Y'all stay safe. Had to wave at my boy Crew back there. That's my dude. I'm gonna hear from him at least 5 times a week. Sometimes more. Sometimes we talk 3-4 times a day. But yeah, let's get it, baby. Let's get Combs on the road. Woo! Oh yeah. You can't beat this 128 from Harley Davidson. Milwaukee Harley Davidson sponsored this build on this bike, and I'm appreciative of it. I'm grateful for it. You know, I really thank them. They just, you know, they came through. I really appreciate it. And I want to thank Jared again from Chromework for sending me the loofah baffles. Hey Jared, it's something to get used to, but I know when you hit this baby, the sound comes out of there. You know, so if you get loofah baffles, yeah, it's gonna be quiet around stoplights, which you probably really want to be kind of quiet around the cars when you're sitting at a light or a stop sign. But when you get on it like that right there, yeah, when you get on it right there, yeah, you're gonna hear that baby. It's gonna talk for you. It's gonna bark. Them Chromework always barking, baby. So if you got Chromework, get you some loofah baffles. I guarantee it's gonna change your ride. It's gonna give you more torque, baby. Cause this show gave me more torque. Yeah, quite the bike. But yeah. But look at this baby run though. That was, oh yeah. Yes sir. Chromeworks 2-in-2 system on my bike. 30-30 Star Racing cam. I was finna name something else. But y'all, that's what I got rocking on this bike. I'm gonna give y'all a rundown for your new subscribers to show you what stuff that I have put on this bike. If you're just not joining the channel, I'm definitely gonna show you. But until next time, baby, the next grind, baby, y'all already know. I love y'all, man. Peace. Y'all have a blessing, all right? I'm out.